Hello guys, so welcome to IIM Kozhikode BMSAT series again. So in this video we are going to see about another model which is converting fractions or finding the vulgar fractions like that. These are the models that were asked in the previous IPMAT questions. So yeah, maybe IIMK also can ask this type of models in this line, like maybe they cannot ask directly the vulgar fraction, but they may ask convert the decimal, recurring decimal into fractions. We will see that also. So let's find vulgar fraction of the given decimal. So what is meant by vulgar fraction? It is nothing but converting it into a fraction and simplifying that. So 0.0056 can be written as 56 divided by 10,000, right? Now I have written it in the fraction, but I have to solve it. So I think you already came to know what is this common multiple in all these things. It is 8. So it's 7 8 56, and obviously 1250 will be this multiple. So 7 by 1250 is the vulgar fraction of this decimal. But we are hoping a recurring decimal problem here in IIM case, series. So what is that? Now, if 56 is big enough, not this number, let us use another number. 1.256 bar. Yes, cool. Okay, find the fraction form of 1.256 bar. 56 bar means 56 is repeating, right? I mean, this number will go on like this, 56 and 56. Only that part will be recurring. Yes. Now, how to convert that into a fraction? First of all, in this given number, write the number as it is, 1256, without any decimal or without any bar. In this, which one is not repeating? Which numbers are not repeating? See, 1 and 2, even though if it is in decimal or not in decimal, they are not repeating. So which numbers are not repeating? 1 and 2. Write them as they are. So 1 and 2. Now, divide it by how many numbers are repeating? There are 2 numbers repeating. 2 digits are repeating. Okay. So take that many number of 9s there. Okay. How many digits are repeating after decimal? It is 2 digits. So I am taking 2 9s in place of 2 recurring numbers. And how many numbers are not repeating after the decimal? Not before the decimal. Here we took without considering the decimal. But we have to take now, for zeros, how many decimals, how many numbers are not repeating after the decimal? It is only one number. Here they are 2 and this is 1. So take that many zeros after 9s. Okay. I hope you understood this, but I am repeating that again. I'll take the value as it is. First thing, without any recurring bar or decimal, 1256 as it is. Next, which numbers are not repeating? 1 and 2. Even I'm not considering the decimal here. Okay, I wrote 12 directly. And next, in denominator, how many digits are repeating? There are 2 digits repeating. So I took 2 9s. And after that, how many digits are not repeating after the decimal? One digit. So in place of that, I took 0. Now this value will become 1244. Okay, 56 minus 12, it is 44, divided by 990. Okay, now if you want to solve this, you can solve it. It will be 622 divided by 495. That's it. Okay, 622 divided by 495 will be the vulgar fraction and or the fraction conversion of that whole number. Okay, so here this problem can be asked. This type of problems can be asked in your IIM. Okay. Because these are very basic. So I'm going to give a problem to you guys as a homework, or you have to solve that and comment in the comment section. Let's see. 3.496 6 bar, 4.005. Okay, not 05. Okay, fine, 05. 4.0005 bar for 05. Okay, find the answers for these two things and answer comment them in the comment section. Okay.